You like that drill, don't you? I think that's your favourite one. Yeah? Hey, good boy. That's your saw. What else is it? That's your hammer. Look, there's some more here. Oh, you got some pliers. Oh. And you've got a spanner. Yeah, later on we'll do some repairs around the house. Look, this goes in there. That's it. Now the other way around. Like that. Ooh, next present. Say bye.